people, and welcome back to my channel, The Allen Styles TV. If you are new here, I create style, beauty, and lifestyle videos. And in today's video, I will be showing you my most recent Zara purchases and how I style those items. So if you are interested in that, please stay tuned and watch the rest of the video. Alright, so the first item that I got is this cute, lovely silk shirt from Zara. I got it in a size medium. I believe I got it for $9.99. It was on sale, so why not? But what really made me make the purchase was the color and the printing. I thought it was very unique, very different from what I usually purchase, and for the price I was like, why not? So this is actually how I would style it. I think this is very cute and super easy for like a date night with the hubs. I've just paired it with this chain belt that I got from Forever 21 recently, and you know, just to cinch the waist, you know, we want to be a little snatched. And I chose to wear some cut-off jeans that I did myself, you know, DIY. And I also paired it with some heels that I showed you in my last shoe haul from Forever 21, which are these bad boys. So it's a really super easy casual date night look, or you take it up a notch by wearing like slacks if you want to take it into the office. But I think this is a super easy way to, you know, just dress up the shirt by throwing on a cute belt. So this is that. All right, so the next item that I got was this cute bucket bag, which I needed to replace. I got one from Forever 21, I think last summer, and I wore it out. It started peeling, so I was like, you know what, let me just go get a new one. And I got it in this, it's not white, it's like a cream, but I think it's very good for everyday wear. You can take it to work, you can take it out for errands, to the movies, wherever. I love the little cute little gold details in it. And it also comes with a longer strap, so if you want to be hands-free, this will definitely be the way to go. And for the price, I think it's really good. I love the quality of it. It has a very Chanel inspired look, but not so much. But I love it. And yeah, so that's this bag. This cost $29.99, so this is gonna last me a while. That's the plan. All right, so this is the next item that I got. Can you see a trend yet? This is polka dot. It's like a linen blend top. It's very lightweight. I added a tank on the inside as a little contrast with the dots. It's super cute. Me and my husband has a trip coming up in the next month or so, and I think this would be definitely perfect for the trip. It's very lightweight, and where we're going is going to be super hot, so I can't wait. Basically, I will wear with this skirt, which is also another item that I got from Zara. I'll show you that in a minute, but I just want you to, you know, get into this top. You could button it up, you know, cover up a little bit more. If you want to be a little more sophisticated, you can wear it with jeans, but I chose to wear it with this skirt that I'll show you right now. All right, so this is the next item that I got from Zara. It's another linen item. It has like slits on the side, which I'm always here for some leg action, and it has that tiered detail on it, which definitely attracted me. And actually, when I got this top, I saw this and I was like, this will go perfect together. So I also paired it with these heels that I got from Forever 21, newly in. But I really like how this two pieces come together. I think it's super cute, very much my style, very much in my color palette. Both of these items are in a size medium as well, and I don't think I got these on sale. I paid full price. This skirt, I love it. It's super flowy, and these can be transitioned into the fall, which is always a win. I can just throw on some ties, some boots, a coat, and I'm good to go. Let me know which one of these items you guys like the most in the comments. We'll definitely be looking out for those. All right, so my next purchase from Zara were these shoes. They're guys, OMG. Oh my God, look at them, look at them. All right, so I've been searching for a really cute pair of white shoes since the beginning of spring. And I saw some, I bought, I think, a couple pairs, but I wasn't that much in love with them. But when I saw these, I was like, oh, OMG, I have to get them. So these were what I got in size 9. They fit super comfortably. I love the heel. It's just easy to wear with all of the clothes that I have in my wardrobe. But yeah, like these will definitely be a staple. I will be rocking these out. Trust and believe. So let me try them on with this outfit so you can see how it looks on my feet. So the last clothing piece that I'll be showing you guys today is this cute top that I found. I think it's a new item in on their site. This puffer sleeve. It's just a black, I think it's a basic, but I think it's super cool. It has this deep V, but I won't be wearing it like this. I'm gonna try it on and show you how I will be wearing it. Basically, I'm going to be wearing it backwards. And with this top, I don't want the focus to be nowhere close on this ugly guy here. So I'm going to turn it backwards. Actually, when I purchased it, that's how I said I was going to wear it. I was going to wear it backwards to give it that high neck and like a low back. So let's see how it looks on. All right, guys. So this is a vibe. Isn't it a vibe? I love it. So this is the front part, well, the back part that I'm wearing as the front. And guys, I look so good in black. Oh my God. Anyways, so this is the puffer sleeve. I'm going to show you the back in a moment, but this is how they look. Oh, I'm just loving this. Can you tell that this is one of my favorite purchases out of the whole haul? But oh my God, super cute, super cute. I love it. Size medium. The material in here is very, I don't know, it's giving me Spanx vibe, but I'm with it. It's cinching me in. I look very small and petite in this top, and I'm so loving this guy. This is how the back looks. Isn't that cute? Oh my God, and with my red lip, oh, this hair, so good. So I just paired it with my basic everyday ripped jeans. I wear this well, not every day, but this is my go-to jeans. It's one of my favorite jeans. Has a rip at the knee, at both knees actually, and I paired it with the same can you see it? With the same black Forever 21 heels. So I'm gonna just bring it down a little bit so you can see the bottom part of the look. All right, so this is the bottom half of the look. I chose to wear my Gucci belt, and these are how the jeans look on me with the heels, of course. Aren't they cute? I love it. All right, so now it's the last item, the showstopper, I would say. I saw this bag, guys, this bag, and it was a keeper. $69.90. Is it worth it? I like it, so it's worth it to me. It's giving me this Dior vibe, but the print and the colors are definitely up my alley. I love this tribal look. I would definitely take this to work. I would take this out just to run errands. It's just the perfect bag, and it's fall colors as well, so this is gonna go with a lot of my looks coming up this fall. This is the look right here. Just all of this together is just everything. I'm not over exaggerating, guys. This is exactly how I feel when I dress up and I look good and I feel good, and it's just pure energy, good vibes, and a little style. That's all. Alright guys, that is the end of my first style video. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you love the pieces that I showed. If you do, please let me know in the comments which ones were your favorite. And also don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss my next upload. Also, don't forget to follow me on my other social media platforms. My Instagram and my blog are all the Island Styles. So see you in the next one.